Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. This week we go over foaming. It's an often asked question of how to deal with it. What can you do to prevent it? What can you do if you have it? So we just dropped a video, so if you didn't get a notification for that, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification button. But otherwise, Vito, what did we go over?
We went over all the issues that can cause foaming. First and foremost, temperature is the big one. Tube length, inner diameter, different ways you could do to mitigate foaming, all that good stuff. Check it out.
All right, we get this question all the time. My beer is foaming. What did I do wrong and how do I fix it?
All right, let's go back up to the studio for the kit of the week. All right, so this kit of the week that we're giving away is a classic Munich Helles.
Oh, one of my favorites, and I could use one right now. Just think, beautiful malt, a hair of bitterness, and just clean, easy to drink beer. And to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter the weekly giveaway. Okay, don't forget, this is your last chance to enter the monthly giveaway for the KOMOS Kegerator. Go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And cheers.